Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today the 2025 Force Gurkha 5-door SUV is set to redefine off-road adventure with its rugged build, powerful engine, and enhanced features. This highly anticipated model builds on the legacy of the iconic Gurkha while offering more practicality, comfort, and technological advancements. Designed to take on any terrain, the new 5-door variant expands its appeal to a broader audience, including families and overland travelers who seek a perfect balance between adventure and convenience. At the heart of the 2025 Force Gurkha 5-door is a robust 2.6 liters turbo diesel engine, derived from Mercedes-Benz, which has been a trusted powerhouse for reliability and durability. With around 140 bhp and 320 Nm of torque, this engine ensures exceptional performance across different terrains, whether it's rocky trails, muddy roads, or deep water crossings. A 4x4 drivetrain with a low-range transfer case and manually locking front and rear differentials makes it a formidable off-road machine. The updated suspension setup ensures better ride quality and comfort, even on long highway journeys. The new 5-door Gurkha retains its boxy, old-school off-road design but with modern refinements. A wider stance, LED headlamps, a distinctive front grille, and functional snorkel air intake give it a bold and commanding presence. Unlike typical urban SUVs, the Gurkha is built for extreme conditions, featuring a ladder frame chassis that provides superior durability. With an improved ground clearance of around 240 mm, this SUV is designed to tackle even the most challenging terrains with ease. Stepping inside, the 2025 Force Gurkha 5-door offers a much improved cabin with a focus on comfort and technology. The spacious interior can accommodate up to 7 passengers with its captain seat and bench seat configurations. Soft touch materials, a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, power windows, and climate control add a touch of convenience while maintaining its rugged DNA. The digital instrument cluster enhances the modern driving experience, and the overall layout feels more refined compared to its predecessors. When it comes to safety, the Gurkha 5-door is well equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, a roll cage, traction control, hill hold assist, and hill descent control. These features make it a secure choice for both off-road enthusiasts and daily commuters. Additionally, the SUV comes with an improved braking system to ensure confident stopping power in various driving conditions. With its large dimensions and powerful road presence, the 2025 Gurkha 5-door directly competes with the likes of the Mahindra Thar 5-door and Maruti Suzuki Jimny. However, what sets it apart is its pure off-roading capability, factory-fitted snorkel, and differential locks that allow it to outperform rivals in extreme conditions. While the Thar and Jimny offer more refined road manners, the Gurkha excels in true adventure-driven environments. Expected to be priced between a superscript 116 lakh to a superscript 119 lakh, ex-showroom, the Force Gurkha 5-door offers great value for off-road enthusiasts looking for a capable, adventure-ready SUV. The company has also hinted at offering multiple variants with different seating configurations, allowing buyers to choose based on their needs. With Force Motors focusing on improving after-sales service and expanding dealership networks, the new Gurkha promises better accessibility and support. For those who crave an authentic, go-anywhere SUV that stands out from the crowd, the 2025 Force Gurkha 5-door is an excellent choice. Its unmatched off-road capability, improved comfort, and legendary durability make it a strong contender in the growing off-road segment. Whether it's conquering the Himalayas or navigating through city traffic, the Gurkha 5-door is built to take on any challenge while staying true to its off-road heritage.